Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you see your websites which are visited on a Verizon router. So here's a guide for checking your history, logs, as well as setting up your parental controls. Method 1. To check your router logs, follow the below steps. Step 1. Open a web browser. Step 2. Go to http://192.168.1.1. Step 3. Sign in with the router's admin username and password. Step 4. Look for system logs, security logs, or activity logs. Step 5. Review any available internet activity records. Method 2. Use Verizon Home Network Protection. Step 1. Sign in to your Verizon account. Step 2. Open the My Verizon app or website. Step 3. Check if home network protection or parental controls is enabled. Step 4. View device activity and security reports if available. Method 3. Check for parental controls. Step 1. Log in to the router settings page. Step 2. Open parental control. Step 3. Some Verizon routers show browsing activity for monitored devices. If you need detailed website tracking, as you can use a parental control or network monitoring solution that records web activity. Configure logging before you need the data, as routers typically don't keep extensive browsing history by default. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.